Traders, I posted this. Let me just show you something and then we'll come back and we'll look at a trade idea. Back here, if we scroll down, Bitcoin, yeah, this one here. So what I was looking at was a counter trend trade down into this area here, this bullish order block, and then buy on a break of market structure. So as it was, we got the move down, so you could have counter trend traded it, and then buy as this was breaking structure. Bullish. Okay, that's my look. It's my bread and butter, guys. It's the same strategy over and over again. And but the thing is, I'm a little bit cautious at the moment too. Look, it's always going to be go long on the break of structure or whatever. But my bias is bullish. But I'm just a little bit cautious at the moment. Even though we have, we got this trending up for sure, and we got this pullback. It's a really deep pullback. Right now, I'm always a little bit wary when I see, for example, Fibonacci low to high, and then it continued up. Okay, you chase price with the fib, and then you get the pullback here, and off we go. Okay. But what we've got here is this lower high and this shift in structure. All right, so you want to be a little bit careful right here. See that? So lower high here, and this is a bearish price action. That's a break of market structure. Bearish break of structure right there. So you want to be a little bit careful. So now what we're getting is lower high, lower low. All right. Or you could draw a bloody channel. Whoops, I didn't mean that. We could draw a channel. Here's the thing with this, right? So the market is always hunting liquidity. We have liquidity under here. All right. Sell stops. Right, it eats into that, it pulls back, but we've still got this lower high. The next liquidity pool is back down in here again. Okay, under these lows here, down here where we have this bullish order block, and if we pull this across this here, right, we've got a liquidity pool under here. So that's the first hit, continues down, that's the second hit, and this is potentially, if it continues under here, that's another target. Guys, you want to be really careful because we're starting to see bearish structure coming into play. Now, I mean, it could rally here, it could do anything, but my game plan again is 30-minute. Yeah, we'll stick with this one. Oh no, we'll do it a 30-minute chart. Okay, follow this trend wherever it takes us. Right, same story as before, but I'm thinking it's going to hit this, and then we're going to rally, possibly. All right, not a prediction, but look for the fake out, possibly a bit of a shakeout, and then displacement, and then that. So watch it. At the moment, there's no break of structure. It's still, it's holding its structure here. Right, so you just watch this, wait for it to break structure. It kind of did that here, and then we had higher highs and higher lows. It's exactly the same principle. It's a very simple price action trading plan. All right, now this could occur. It could occur here. It could occur here. It could drop down into here, or even further. All right, as simple as that, guys. Now I have a method of look. The last 14 trades I took, crypto, were winning trades, 100% profit, and I've Actually, I've done a video on that. If you look around, you might find it. We're having really good success rate with the crypto trades. I'm finding crypto actually quite easy to trade. So wait for this break of structure, a pullback, break of structure, and then we're off. Right, so wherever that occurs, it's as simple as that. What else can I say? I'm bullish, but be careful here, guys. Yeah. I mean, yeah, it could push from here for sure, but I'm thinking it actually trades back down. I really get a feeling that it's going to look for liquidity, deeper liquidity. Now, you want to keep an eye on the Nasdaq, the tech stocks. Let's just have a really quick look. In fact, what we'll do is we'll do this. Go out of here. And over here, I'll just pick up the NAS. Bear with me for a sec. The tech stock, the Nasdaq is closely correlated. Yeah, that was an idea. That closely correlated with crypto. And I pointed this out in a previous video. But see how this has rallied? All right, I'm expecting that to pull back. And if it does, then I'm thinking, Bitcoin could follow. That's why I'm thinking this pulls back a little further. So just keep an eye on the US 100 tech stocks. And I'll show you this. I'll just go out of here. I think I've done this before, but it's worth doing it again in case don't worry about all the markups. But, what I'm looking at is, well, let's ignore the markups because I want to leave them on there. Grab the NAS and compare it. See that? See how closely correlated the tech stocks are? All right, that's why I'm a little bit cautious at the moment due to the go back out. The NAS over here, right, having rallied, and it's due for a pullback, and you can see a little bit of red creeping in. So grab a fib, load a high, a bit of a drop back down in here. Okay, could influence this, given that they're both risk assets. So coming back to that's my game plan, guys. I would really appreciate a comment. And I try to reply to every comment. But, share your thoughts. What do you think? Have you got other ideas? Let's support each other. With that, I hope you have a fantastic day. Oh, before I go, this is a buy on bullish break of structure wherever it happens. Okay. Buy on bullish break of structure wherever it happens. Could be here, could be higher or lower. That's it, guys. With that, have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next one.